this is T-Rex Fatback. Today I'll show you how to make a paper book. Alright guys, to make a paper book, you're going to fold the paper in half just like that. And then just open it. Just open it like that. Just like folding up into the end. Okay, now once you have that, and then switch. There you go. Now you are going to need a folded paper like that, so that's what you'll need. So, and then just cut the end of there, and then just fold it in half, just like that. So there you go. Now, so once you have that, now you are going to open it, and you have a paper book, but it doesn't look like a paper book yet. So you're going, because of this, you see? So we're going to cut that up, and zing! There you go, it's cut up, and there you have a paper book.